You didn't see movement in your physical reality, but things were moving behind the scenes because trust me, no matter what you're affirming for, things are always moving, things are always shifting, whether you can see them or not. What's up, y'all? If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tierica, and I like to post videos about the law of assumption, manifestation, and mindset shifting, sharing my own personal beliefs and experiences with the intention that you can take something from what I talk about and apply it to your life so you can create the reality of your dreams. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Today, I want to give y'all a cute little story, all right? I don't even know how long this video is going to be, but I want to give you a cute story and I want to explain to you or basically show you how what happens when somebody is manifesting you, all right? Because I was manifested and I just want to share that experience with y'all because I think it is so cute. So, I go to my parents' house every single Sunday. I've gone to their house for the last 13 years every Sunday. That's their day. So they know I'm coming over and I just go and spend time with them. The only time that I don't go to their house is if I'm out of town or I have like an event or something that falls on a Sunday. And I usually don't make up the day like by going on a Monday or anything like that. I just go on Sunday, and if I miss, then I'll just see them the following Sunday, right? And this past weekend, my parents actually had to go out of town. So they went out of town and they were on their way back on Sunday, but I hadn't heard from my mom all day. And I was like, normally I would have expected her to like text me and say, hey, we're this far away from the house, just letting you know what time we're going to be home. And she didn't do that. And I was out at brunch. So I ended up texting her to see if they were on their way home and how far they were. And she was telling me they had like another hour to go, but they were getting close. Then she sends me a picture of her laying down in the back seat like she was tired. And she still didn't mention anything about me coming over. And I was like, okay, guess I got a free day today. Like I got a free Sunday. So I enjoyed myself at brunch and I ended up going out to an arcade later on that day. And like I said, I never go on a Monday. Like I don't make up the day. I just wait till the next week. Well, when I woke up on Monday, I had the desire to go over there. I woke up and I was planning out my day and I was figuring out everything that I needed to do. And I was like, I gotta go over there. I'm gonna go over there and see them before I go to this birthday dinner that I have to go to. So I planned that in my day and I was like, okay, I'm gonna surprise them. You know, she's gonna be so surprised to see me. And I get over there and I have a key. So I unlock the door and I go inside. And when I walk through, my mama jumped up and y'all, she calls me Teacup, okay? She jumped up and she was like, Teacup, you're here. Oh my gosh. And she came to give me a hug like she was so happy to see me. And I'm like, Ma, you just saw me a week ago. She was so happy to see me. And she came over there and she gave me a hug. And then this is what she tells me. She says to me, oh my gosh, I promise you, I didn't say this out loud because if I said it out loud, you weren't going to come. But I woke up and I thought to myself that you're going to come today. I was telling myself that you're going to come today. I just know you're going to come today. And I just know if I said it out loud, you weren't going to come. So I only said it to myself, but I promise you, I said it to myself, you were coming today. And I manifested that shit. And all I could do was laugh because it was so cute, y'all. Like it was so cute. And the thing is, when I used to stream on Bigo and I would do Manifestation Mondays all the time, like my hashtag was manifest that shit. So the fact that she used that term, I was just like, because I really want y'all, like, side note, I wanted to have like t shirts that say manifest that shit on there, and I just never made them. But y'all let me know if you want them because if you do, I will go design it. But that was just a sidebar. But back to the story. So after she said that, I just smiled and was like, yeah, you definitely manifested it because it made me realize, like I said, I don't make up a day. But when I woke up, and I woke up kind of late, so she was definitely up before me. I woke up and I had the desire to go over there, and I thought it was just me desiring it on my own. So let's go ahead and just dissect this story a little bit because if you are manifesting somebody, or if you believe somebody is manifesting you, let's just kind of talk about that, right? So if you are manifesting somebody, Whatever you are affirming, they are picking up those thoughts. They are thinking those exact things. If you are affirming an SP, a romantic partner, and you're saying that this person is obsessed with me, they can't stop thinking about me, I'm the only one on their mind, then guess what? You are literally what they are thinking about all day, every day. They are obsessed with you and they're probably trying to fight it. They might not know why they're thinking about you. They may be stalking your Instagram page. They may be looking at pictures of you. They might be asking people about you and you don't know. You're affirming for this person and you have no idea none of this stuff is going on. But I guarantee you, the things that you are affirming, they are picking up and they're getting those thoughts. They are literally getting those thoughts. All right. And then when your manifestation completely unfolds, I'm pretty sure they will pair it back to you, either your affirmations or they are going to explain to you how they have been crazy obsessed with you and all these things that they've done. And then it's going to become aware to you that you didn't see movement in your physical reality, but things were moving behind the scenes because trust me, no matter what you're affirming for, things are always moving, things are always shifting, whether you can see them or not. They're always moving. Now, let's look at it from the other side of if somebody is manifesting you. So first of all, you can only be manifested if you believe that you can be manifested. So don't put yourself in a panic and worry like, oh my God, I don't want this person to manifest me. Okay, then decide that that person cannot manifest you. Or if you don't want anybody manifesting you, then just decide nobody can manifest me. Easy as that. So for me personally, no dudes out here can manifest me. All right. My friends, my family, I don't care if they manifest stuff from me, but the guys out here cannot manifest me because I just like to be to myself. I don't want to be manifested. Now, that doesn't mean that they can't experience me or being in a relationship with me, because I do believe in infinite realities. And I explained this one time on one of my live streams that the way my mind works is like this. If you are wanting to, and I'm just going to use me for an example, if you are wanting to manifest me, I'm not going to experience it because I don't want to be manifested. Either I have somebody specific that I want to manifest, or I have a specific person, a specific type of person that I want to manifest. But me being manifested by no, I don't want that to happen. And basically, if you are a person that is trying to manifest me, then you can still very well experience me because infinite realities exist. So there is a reality where we're together. There's a reality where everybody is in a relationship with whoever they want to be in a relationship with. And you and your own consciousness have to tap into that yourself by persisting in your affirmations. You can't come to me and tell me, hey, I'm manifesting you and I want you to be with me. That's not going to work. You don't mess with your physical reality. You affirm and you persist, and then you will get exactly what you want. I'm not going to experience it, like I said, because it's my reality and that's what I decide. But I can't decide what you're going to do for your reality. Your consciousness will shift to that exact reality, that parallel reality that's existing right now where we're together. Does that make sense? So, as far as being manifested, if you are somebody who doesn't care about being manifested, or you think that that'll be fun or cool, then when you get these desires and you get these thoughts, you know what I mean? It's because that person is thinking about you. That person is affirming things about you. And then you feel like you have this natural desire to go see them or reach out to them, but you're picking up on their thoughts. I literally picked up on my mom's thoughts of her thinking, oh, she's going to come over today. I told y'all I don't go over there on Mondays. So I picked up on her thoughts. Another example, I was thinking about one of my friends that I haven't seen in quite some time. It's probably almost been a year since I've seen her. And I was just thinking about her, and I thought about her for a couple of days. Her picture kept popping up on Instagram. I think she was like interacting with my stories, and I meant to reach out to her, but I just didn't reach out to her. And like 2 or 3 days ago, and this was last week when I was thinking that, like 2 or 3 days ago, she messaged me and was like, you've been on my mind heavy. How are you? And I was just like, of course, because I was thinking about you and I meant to message you because I'm like, I have not talked to you. And then here you are messaging me because I've been on your mind heavy. So I thought about her, but was she thinking about me too? We were thinking about each other. You see what I'm saying? So when it cut, like, that's why people are so easy to manifest, y'all. All you have to do is persist in the thought of whatever it is. It don't even have to be a romantic partner. It could be your boss. If you think that your boss is horrible and they're so mean and they're disgusting, then start affirming that they are the most amazing boss ever. You love working for them. They are such a pleasure to be around. And as long as you persist in that and you just ignore your 3D and detach from whatever may be physically happening in front of you right now, you're going to go to work one day and that boss is going to be the most amazing person you have ever seen. It might blow your mind because you're like, where did this person come from? Are you sick? Are you okay? Because why? What are we doing here? But it's just you choosing a different version of them, selecting a different reality, existing in a different state of awareness. People are easy to manifest, so easy. And maybe you should adopt that belief too. Tell you if you're manifesting an SP and you feel like it is hard or it's not working, start telling yourself that it's easy to manifest people. It is so easy to manifest people because I be saying that all the time, and I really believe it's so easy to manifest people. And I just prove it to myself time and time again, because if I want to cancel plans with somebody and I don't want to go message them and cancel these plans, I just think, oh, they're going to cancel. They're going to cancel on me. And sure enough, they be messaging me canceling on me. Or if I need a client to book, I think about a specific client, they go book. Or if I need them to cancel because I want to get off early, I'll be like, oh yeah, they're not coming today. They're not coming tomorrow. And sure enough, I get that text message like, hey, I'm not going to be able to make it. Like, have fun with it because you can really do a lot. You could do so much. Like, you could do anything. You could do anything in your reality. And I want y'all to understand that. I want you to adopt those ideas and those beliefs. Let go of what society has told you. Let go of thinking that you have to be realistic and logical and pessimistic. No. Those are all just created to limit you. I really believe that. They're just created to limit you and to keep you stagnant from flourishing to be the most amazing person that you can be, the most amazing spiritual being that you truly are at the core of who you are. So, if y'all have any questions or comments, please leave them down for me below. If you watch this video to the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.